Are you suffering from snoring disorder? Are you not able to get peaceful sleep and give peaceful sleep to your surrounding? You are just one step away from curing your disorder. Hello everyone, my name is Kaushik, healer from Basava Q Academy, Bangalore. Today I'm going to show you how to cure your snoring disorder just by using one color, dark blue. Snoring disorder is basically due to increased Akasha Tattva on your throat region. So your right hand small finger represents Akasha Tattva and the first joint represents throat reflex. You just have to use dark blue color sketch pen and apply a small ring over your first joint like this. Apply this color regularly before you go to sleep and you'll see miraculous results. If you find this video informative, please like and share it to the needy people and please follow Basava IQ Academy on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.